Are you tired of unexpected bills throwing your budget into a tailspin? Do you ever wish you could access a portion of your earned wages before payday without resorting to high-interest loans? If so, then you've probably heard of Beforepay, and you're likely wondering the same thing many others are: how much can I actually cash out with Beforepay? It's a fantastic question, and one that gets right to the heart of what makes Beforepay so appealing. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into Beforepay's cash-out limits, explain how they're determined, and give you a clear picture of what you can expect when you need a little financial bridge to your next paycheck. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the numbers, let's briefly touch on what Beforepay is for those who might be new to it. Essentially, Beforepay is an ethical wage advance service that allows you to access a portion of your earned income before your official payday. It's designed to help you manage those unexpected expenses or bridge short-term cash flow gaps without getting caught in a cycle of debt. Think of it as a responsible alternative to credit cards or payday loans when you just need a little boost. Now, back to the main event: how much can you cash out? The simple answer is, it varies. Beforepay doesn't have a one-size-fits-all cash-out limit. Instead, the amount you can access is dynamically calculated based on several factors, primarily your regular income and your repayment history with Beforepay. When you first start using Beforepay, your initial cash-out limit will likely be on the lower side. This is because Beforepay needs to assess your income stability and your ability to repay. They typically start with smaller amounts, sometimes as low as $50 or $100. As you consistently use the service and successfully repay your advances on time, Beforepay builds a picture of your financial reliability. This positive repayment history then allows them to increase your cash-out limit over time. So, what are the maximums we've seen? While Beforepay's terms can change, and it's always best to check their most up-to-date information, users who consistently demonstrate responsible usage and have a steady income often see their limits rise. We've heard of users being able to cash out amounts ranging from a few $100s up to, in some cases, well over $1,000. It's important to remember that these higher limits are usually reserved for long-term users with a strong track record. The key takeaway here is that your cash-out limit isn't static. It's a fluid number that can increase as you prove your reliability. To maximize your potential cash-out amount, ensure you link your primary bank account with your regular income deposits, and always repay your advances on time. The more consistent your income and the more reliable your repayments, the more Beforepay trusts you with higher limits. It's also worth noting that Beforepay has a small fixed fee for each cash-out, regardless of the amount. This fee is transparently displayed before you confirm your advance, so you'll always know exactly what you're paying. There are no hidden interest charges or late fees, which sets it apart from traditional lending options. In conclusion, while there isn't a single definitive answer to how much can I cash out with Beforepay, understanding the factors that influence your limit is crucial. Start small, build a positive repayment history, and watch your access to your earned wages grow. Beforepay is a tool designed to empower you with financial flexibility, and by using it responsibly, you can unlock its full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.